Assalamu alaikum, folks. Yes, whatever you've heard in the stock market is absolutely true. We've been seeing double-digit drops from indices as well as individual stocks. I want to assure you, number one, this too shall pass. Yes, Donald Trump has put in some very negative policies which are affecting the market quite badly. And don't forget, as the president currently, he only has the next 4 years to serve. It's unlikely he'll be able to have a third term. And even if he does have a third term somehow, don't forget, we have lived through multiple market crises. I've been investing for over 20 years. You and I have probably lived through more market crises than we know. The dips that we have seen, you would be able to see that we eventually recover. As of the recording right now, you would have lived through COVID, you would have lived through Russia invading Ukraine, multiple wars in the Middle East, and of course the 2008 financial crisis, the Greek debt crisis, and all of it has happened within our lifetime, in fact within the past 20 years. Yes, right now it is scary. So the first thing I want to tell you for today is it will pass, inshallah. It's going to be painful for now, and it will pass. Item number 2 I want to share with you today is we have to stay the course. We will ride through the storm and always see that drops in the market are opportunity for us. It's a way for us to be able to buy these assets at a much lower price. For example, for most of you, you're invested into the equity fund, the global equity fund. What does it invest in? Stocks all around the world. Now, with all these stocks coming down, by going in dollar cost averaging every month, we are picking up these stocks at a much cheaper price. As things go down, I'm spending the same amount of money, I'm buying more of the asset. Now, inshallah, as the market continues downward, we are buying more and more. And eventually, when it recovers, our break-even point is actually lower than the market high, which means we break even faster and go into profits even sooner compared to someone who has put in lump sum. And so for now, look further ahead. That's the third thing I want to assure you for this. When we look at our investment portfolios, look 5 years ahead minimum. 5, 10, 15 years is best. When we look at the market over a long period of time, we know that the economy will grow over time and there will be short-term corrections and shocks to the market. Of course, these things will happen. But for us, it's an opportunity. So look 5 years ahead, continue and stay the course, dollar cost average into the market as what we've been doing right now. And I assure you, over the next coming months to even a year, we will see the market continue being a bit more rocky and we are picking up cheaper. Looking 5 years ahead, inshallah, we'll make profits then. Okay, I promise you this. And so the fourth thing I want to share with you all today is this. One of the assets that has been going up in recent times is gold. Why? Because gold is a safe haven asset. People are afraid. When people are afraid, like when the stock market drops, they take the money out and they put into safe haven assets like sukuks, bonds, or gold. Those of you who have sukuk exposure will start to see your sukuk exposure starting to go up a little bit. And if you have some gold exposure, that will also continue to go up. For those of us who do not have gold in our portfolios, then you may want to consider getting some exposure. You can use gold ETFs, physical gold, or even gold savings accounts. Okay, let me know how I can help you specifically to these gold instruments and I'll recommend the right one for you. So long story short, folks, this market correction, crisis, recession, whatever they're going to call it, has happened before, will happen again. And for all of us today, we are just going to continue investing and live through this.